back. You already know what it is at Locos.Garage. Today we got my personal S650 Mustang in. We're gonna be doing an install, the rear spoiler from Extreme Online Store. As you can see, it's naked. There's nothing on the back. So we got this rear spoiler from Extreme Online Store. It's a rear Ducktail. I think that's what it's called, Ducktail. So I think the price is only like around $100 and something, which is pretty good for an aftermarket rear spoiler. The quality is pretty good. It's gloss black. I think they have a carbon fiber, but that one's more money, obviously. So this is gonna go like this, something like this right here. Basically, what's going to hold it is 3M tape. So they supply the 3M tape with the spoiler, which is pretty good. So what we're going to do is put 3M tape all right here on the bottom and a thin strip right here on the back part, a really thin strip. You want to make sure the surface is clean where there's no debris. Right now I took off my other spoiler, so I'm cleaning it up. I got this magic eraser. I think that's what it's called. It's on Amazon, bro. It's like 20 bucks for like a 3-pack, so it's pretty good. This takes off the O3M. I'll give you guys a little close-up right now about it, or you guys could use a heat gun also. The heat gun helps as well. All right guys, check it out. So I did that side already, looks good. I'm doing the middle, but I'm gonna clean up this dust because I don't want to scratch the paint. So right here, let me show you guys how it is, how it works. You want to make sure this thing's tight. So for example, we got some 3M tape right there left over. It works just like an eraser. Oh man, this thing came off. But anyways, as you can see, it's got the O3M, pretty nice, pretty good. So I clean up the eraser part. We're gonna do this a little bit right here, clean that, then put the spoiler on. All right guys, real quick, with a microfiber, just brush it off. With the air hose, I'll spray the rest of it. All right, so I got this side done and this side done as well. I just gotta do the middle, clean it up. It's just dirt, dust. Alright guys, so this is the 3M tape. They provide you guys some wipes to clean up the surface. So like I said, we're gonna do a thin layer on the spoiler. We got the 3M tape. You wanna make sure you have cutters or scissors. So here we go. So for now, I'm gonna do one right here, all the way across, one right here, one right there, one on the back, and probably maybe 1 or 2 lines in the middle. You want to get it close to the edge, as close as possible. Alright guys, here comes the scary part. Let's take off the red stuff. Let's see. See how it goes. You want to make sure you push it in really good. And right now you're just going to apply pressure all the way across. Alright guys, we got it on pretty evenly. So what I'm going to do right now, since the 3M tape is settling down, I'm going to heat it up a little bit. This way I get a better bond. I have the heat gun on medium. Just apply pressure when you do it. I'll show you guys the fitment right now. Alright. That should be good for now. Let's see. Clean up all my fingerprints. Honestly, this thing looks pretty nice. The fitment is great on it. So check it out up and close. So you can see it didn't go all the way to the end, which is not bad, honestly. Right here, because you can see the corners are a little bit different from each other. But the fitment is pretty great. Look, it's even right here. And honestly, it leaves a good solid line all the way down. And then the fitment is good right here as well. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, the car is pretty much done. This is a side profile. Bro, I think looks mean. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Fitment's pretty good. Bang! Cheers! Nice, nice. Highly recommend. Quick install, pretty easy. All you need is 3M tape, the eraser if you have another spoiler on. But pretty simple. It took about 30 minutes. Fitment is great, like I said. Some angles. Honestly, I like it. Pretty nice. Alright guys, that's it for this episode of Locos Garage. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Quick install for the Extreme Online Store. Rear spoiler, Ducktail. I'll drop the link down below. Go check them out. They have Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. They're everywhere. They do JDM cars, American muscle cars, obviously. I think they do, I want to say German cars as well, like BMWs. I know they do Supras for sure. But yes, that's it for this episode of Locos Garage. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.